All lighting systems are calibrated and tested. The vehicle is moved to the showroom-ready area, showcasing every detail.
This is the fully completed BMW 1 Series, assembled, tested, polished, and ready for delivery.
Welcome to the future, where BMW 1 Series cars are created entirely by intelligent machines. Every journey starts with high-grade steel, designed for strength and precision.
Laser cutting machines shape steel into the exact forms required for the BMW 1 Series.
Artificial intelligence inspects every joint for strength and precision.
The body shell is sealed into one rigid structure.
This raw body is now ready for the next stage of production.
Electrocoating ensures comprehensive protection for long-lasting durability.
Excess coating is removed to create a perfectly even surface.
The coated body is dried under perfectly controlled conditions.
A primer layer prepares the surface for flawless paint adhesion.
Each layer is measured to achieve perfect consistency.
The primer is cured using precisely controlled heat for durability. The BMW 1 Series receives its exterior color with robotic precision.
Multiple layers create depth, shine, and long-lasting protection.
A clear coat seals the paint, delivering a premium, flawless finish. The engine block is precisely machined to form the heart of the BMW 1 Series.
The crankshaft is fitted with exact alignment for balanced power delivery.
Every engine component is secured with digitally controlled torque. The transmission system is assembled for smooth and responsive gear changes. The engine and transmission are joined into a single power unit.
The suspension components are built to deliver comfort and stability.
Each power unit is tested before installation into the vehicle.
The body and powertrain meet in a perfectly synchronized operation.
This critical process, known as vehicle marriage, ensures perfect integration. Wheels are mounted and secured to ensure perfect balance and performance. All essential fluids are filled automatically with precise measurements.
The vehicle's electronic systems are powered up for initial diagnostics.
The vehicle undergoes final automated inspections, verifying structural integrity and precision.
Sound insulation materials are installed to create a quiet and refined cabin. The dashboard is constructed with precision for both form and function. The central infotainment display is installed and connected seamlessly. Seats are built to deliver maximum comfort and support. Seats are mounted and secured precisely inside the cabin. The steering wheel is installed with integrated safety systems. Interior lighting is tested to enhance comfort and atmosphere. The interior passes final automated quality inspection. The windshield is installed with exact precision for safety and fit. Side and rear windows are fitted flawlessly using robotic precision.
Doors are mounted with millimeter-level accuracy for perfect fit.
Headlights are installed and aligned for optimal illumination. Side mirrors with advanced sensors are installed precisely. Every panel is inspected to ensure perfect alignment and finish. All lighting systems are calibrated and tested.
The exterior passes the final automated inspection, ensuring flawless finish.
The body and powertrain are integrated with perfect precision in the final assembly stage. Every connection is secured with digitally controlled torque for structural integrity. Underbody components are installed to enhance performance, safety, and airflow.
Wheels are mounted and secured to ensure perfect balance and handling.
All essential fluids are filled accurately by automated systems. The vehicle's electronics are powered and tested for system integrity.
The vehicle performs controlled movements to verify stability and performance.
The vehicle undergoes a final automated inspection to ensure flawless completion.
Seats are assembled to provide maximum comfort and support.
Seats are mounted and secured with digitally controlled torque. The steering wheel is installed with integrated safety systems.
All infotainment systems are connected and tested automatically.
Safety systems are installed and tested to meet rigorous standards.
Airbags and safety modules are tested automatically for proper function. Interior lighting is verified to enhance cabin comfort and aesthetics. Windshield wipers and nozzles are installed and calibrated for perfect operation. Doors are tested for smooth operation and exact alignment. Mirrors and sensors are calibrated for optimal visibility and safety. Bumpers are inspected to ensure flawless integration. Lighting systems are tested for brightness, alignment, and function.
Exterior badges and emblems are applied with millimeter-level precision. The exterior undergoes final automated inspection to ensure perfection.
Windows are tested for smooth operation and perfect fit.
Mirrors and cameras are calibrated to provide precise visual feedback.
The vehicle undergoes its first controlled driving simulation to verify stability and performance.
Brakes are tested for responsiveness, precision, and safety under simulated conditions. The steering system is calibrated and tested for precise control and responsiveness. All electronic systems are tested to ensure flawless operation. Brakes and safety systems are stress tested to guarantee reliability.
The exterior is polished and sealed to achieve a flawless, showroom quality finish.
Glass, mirrors, and trim are meticulously cleaned for perfect clarity. The interior receives a final check to ensure absolute perfection.